Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to live inside a Firefly lantern using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, you're going to go to the Pippit AI website. Then you're going to sign in with your Google account to get free credits. And then just go to the home menu, and you're going to add the prompt right here. This is the prompt that I'm going to use. You can use mine or you can modify it, guys, according to your needs. And then I'm going to upload my photo. Wait, I'm still choosing the photo. I'm going to choose this one. And then we can click on open. Then submit the photo and also the prompt. Okay, hold on, it's still loading. Okay, done. And these are the results, guys. I think I will go with this one. This one is the best one, I think. Or let's try this one. Okay, and if you want to download it, just click on the download menu, and the photo will be saved to your device. Okay, guys, and that's how you can live inside a Firefly lantern using Pippit AI for free. If you want to try it yourself, you can click the Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description and try to make any photo or any video that you want using the AI. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!